Do you struggle in thinking what to write and fill your diary? Here you will find 10 ideas to fill your empty diary. Let's get started. 1. Journaling. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. 2. Goal setting. Set and track your goals, making a plan to achieve them. 3. Sketchbook. Draw, doodle, or sketch your ideas and creativity. 4. Gratitude log. Write down things you're grateful for each day. 5. To-do lists. Organize your tasks and prioritize your day. 6. Poetry or quote collection. Collect and write down your favorite quotes or poems. 7. Travel journal. Document your travels, memories, and experiences. 8. Mind mapping. Create visual maps of your ideas and concepts. 9. Daily reflections. Reflect on your day, writing down what you learned and what you're looking forward to. 10. Creative writing. Write short stories, poetry, or scenes, exploring your creativity. These ideas will help you get started with using your empty Dear Diary. Thanks for watching.